Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Expedia app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Expedia app is a solid all-in-one travel tool, letting you book flight, hotel, car rental, and vacation packages right from your phone. It offers exclusive mobile-only deal, easy itinerary management, and a quick access to booking confirmation even offline. For frequent traveler, the Expedia reward integrations make it easy to earn and redeem points across different types of booking, adding extra value. On the downside, customer support through the app can beat hit or miss, with some user reporting delay when resolving booking issues. Price isn't as always the cheapest compared to booking directly, and occasional glitches or synchronization problem can be frustrating. So in conclusion, the Expedia app is worth using if you like conveniency and bundle travel plan, but it's best paired with some price checking before finalizing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.